Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern New Mexico and west central Texas. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, Hobbs, New Mexico, Big Spring, Texas, and West Odessa, Texas. We have a slight risk tomorrow that encompasses the slight surrounds the enhanced. The slight tomorrow encompasses pretty much parts of Texas and parts of southeast New Mexico. New Mexico. Again, the slight surrounding the enhanced. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, and Eagle Pass, Texas. And we actually have 3 marginals tomorrow. One marginal encompassing parts of Texas, southwestern Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and southeastern Colorado. Another marginal tomorrow encompasses parts of eastern Florida, eastern and southeastern Florida. And finally, we have a marginal in the Mid-Atlantic tomorrow that encompasses, the third marginal encompasses northeastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, pretty much all of Maryland, much of Delaware, Washington, D.C., northeastern West Virginia, much of Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio, and southwestern New York State. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses west central Texas. Cities in tomorrow's 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, Big Spring, Texas, West Odessa, Texas, and Andrews, Texas. And there are 2 areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. 2% encompassing parts of Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Another 2% tornado risk area tomorrow encompasses parts of east central and southeastern Florida. Cities in tomorrow's 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, however the hell you pronounce it, Lubbock, Texas, Orlando, Florida, and Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Going to the wind for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses central and west central Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. There are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. 5% covering areas surrounding the 15%. The 5% areas encompass parts of Texas, southwestern Oklahoma, well, I should say much of Texas. I should say much of Texas, southwestern Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and southeastern Colorado. Another 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses east central and southeastern Florida, and the third 5% encompasses northeastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, most of Delaware, northeastern West Virginia, most of Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio, and southwestern New York State. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Go to the hail for tomorrow. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses why'd you update on me? The the 30% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses west central Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Cities in the 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, Hobbs, New Mexico, Big Spring, Texas, and Odessa, Texas. West Odessa, Texas. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses the 15% surrounds the 30%. The 15% encompasses parts of a little bit of southeast New Mexico and parts of West Texas. Again, the 30% surrounding the 30% hail risk. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, and Eagle Pass, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 30% and most of the 15%. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Okay? Cities in the black dashed area include Lubbock, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, and Hobbs, New Mexico. Again, black dashed area meaning highest chance of hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. And as you can see, there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One encompassing much of Texas, eastern New Mexico, southwestern Oklahoma, the western part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and southeastern Colorado. Another 5% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses east central and southeastern Florida, and the third 5% hail risk tomorrow encompasses northeastern North Carolina, eastern Virginia, northeastern West Virginia, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, most of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio, and southwestern New York State. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are expected from the southern high plains into parts of central Texas Monday afternoon and evening. Scattered large to very large hail and severe winds are the primary threats, though a couple of tornadoes are also possible. Additional strong to severe storms are possible along the eastern Florida coast and from northeast North Carolina to the Lake Erie vicinity. So, that's all I got for today. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.